this is Rachel, the Grace Company Tech Support, and I'm going to go over how to go and resume your quilt that you were working on either the night previous, or say something happened, you got a power outage, and you want to return to where you left off. Once you're in your program, you have to make sure that your safe area is really big. So let's go to Pantograph. Quickly set our safe area right there. Since I set my safe area, what I'm going to click next is Resume Zone Sewing Session. And there is the quilt I was working on. I open it. This may not be the right size, but it looks like placement is still possible, although difficult. Yes, I want to continue. All right, here's my quilt. This is the safe area I just set, and these are the zones. I want to go down to my 4th zone where I left off. I like 4-point placement. Some people like my 1-point placement, and everything else looks good. Click on this. I'm gonna say no. You can say yes if you want. Oh yes, this is why it is hard to set. You see how everything is red? That's because the safe area and the zones of my previous one is wider than the current one I have now. So let's reset my safe area. Go to this one, and let's set the safe area. And yes, I'm gonna reset it. Now we're back. I've gone to resume zone sewing session. Let's go back to, I think it was the 3rd zone. Click OK. No. Now you see how much space there is. That's because of the safe area. And I can place it right here. Oh, that's a little out of my safe area, so I just have to lift it up. If you want to move your quilt a little bit up, because you want only this part quilted, just lift it up, roll it a little bit more, and then press A again. And there, your zone is now in the safe area, and your sewing machine won't hit this and it won't cut it off.